Hey everyone, Wes over Deport Detailing Hanover. Question we often get asked is, how often should I wash my coated vehicle? So we recommend every 1 to 3 weeks. This is going to depend on a couple things, your habits, how often do you want to wash it, and how clean do you want it to really be. So we recommend at minimum to wash it once a month because this will ensure that the coating does not get clogged. And when a coating is clogged, it can then decrease the performance of the coating, the hydrophobics. So then it might appear that the coating isn't performing as well when really that is just due to improper maintenance. So at a minimum, once a month. That is a good solid baseline, and every 1 to 3 weeks, depending on, say you wash it and then it goes through winter time and it gets snow and salt on it, you want to wash that as soon as you can, just because salt, it can still clog up the coating a little bit, so you want to get that off as soon as you can. So minimum once a month. So that's the baseline, is once a month.